Guys, so we've been getting a lot of questions about the Dynaplug. Sounds great. How does it actually work? It's not something that I really feel like I need, but we're here to tell you you do need this. What's worse than having to take your nice tubeless tire when you're on the trail and put a stupid tube in it? This is something you're gonna definitely want to have. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna take our fully set up tubeless tire, put a hole in it, show you guys how to use it. Let's take our pick, puncture it, nice little hole. Now, we're going to take our Dynaplug here, with the spike, insert it into the tire. We're good, it's in there. Pull it out, let the sealant seal around it, and it's sealed. No more leaking, we're ready to go. And then if you're on the trail, use a pumper of CO2. Here in the shop we'll use our floor pump. But then quickly reinflate back to our shredding tire pressure. I just saved the tubeless, fixed the flat in under 30 seconds. We're back on the trail, ready to go, ready to keep riding. You gotta have it. Keep enjoying all the benefits of tubeless. It's the only way to go.